Hello. Hello. The phone off. Hello. So guys, as usual, we are back on the New York session, and we are here to trade our usual daily New York strategy, which is known as the ORB trading strategy. So right now, it's currently, let me take a look at the tender, it's 141, which means that what market confirmation should be printed now. So let me look for the 15-minute candle. Okay, so here is it. So let me identify the highs and the lows of it. Okay. So let me change their color. Okay. So let's drop down to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so looking at it right now, we have our first position here, which is a short on GBP USD. So you can actually sell GBP USD from here. You target a 1:2. Yep, you can actually sell GBP USD. If you are live with me, you can actually sell GBP USD. Right now, you can go short on GBP USD. So let me just open this MetaTrader on my laptop so you can see whatever trade that I'm initiating. So let me open MetaTrader up. Please check my life. So you can see this MetaTrader, I'm trading a Blueberry Propfirm account, a $10,000 Blueberry funded account. So I need to go short on GU. So let me just open up GBP USD. GBP USD. Okay, here is it. Chart view. Okay, so this GBP USD, and let me drop down to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so is it okay? So guys, you can actually go short on GBP USD right now. You can sell GBP USD from where it is. Now let's also take a look at the different markets. Euro USD. Now let me go down to the 15-minute. Okay, this one has really gone far. This has gone really far. So GU is the only one that is looking really sellish from where it is. Let's take a look at another USD pair, which is USD JPY. Now for USD JPY, it's actually on my long-term sell level. So let me just keep that and look at AUD USD. Now looking at AUD USD, it's also on the sell side already. Let me drop down to the 5-minute time frame. So for AUD USD, it's a bit far away from our supposed sell level. So what we are going to do is simply, we are going to wait for a retracement back to this level, then we will sell AUD USD. Yep, we are going to sell it like this. So let's wait for a retracement back up. So let me just keep an alert here. Okay, so we'll wait for a retracement on AUD USD, then we're actually going to sell it. For GU, as I told you already, if you sold it, you should be in profit on GU already. Okay, Euro USD. My long-term buy setup just got triggered, but I have nothing to do there right now until this section is So let me go back to gold. Let's also take a look at gold. Well, gold is selling seriously. So yeah, I missed this on gold. So yeah, no big deal here. So the only market we are currently holding is GBP USD, and we are waiting for. So let me open up a new tab where we can monitor both markets together. So thank you all for joining the live. So let me switch. Okay, GU. Okay, GU fell back in. Yes, this is a perfect time to reset GU. So let me quickly take it on my phone. GBP USD chart. I just sold GBP USD. So now let's hold it and see what happens from here. So let's hold and see what happens. So let me take a look at AUD USD. AUD USD hasn't made any sort of retracement yet. So let's hold GBP USD, which is the one we took during this live, and see what happens with it. Okay, it's selling back already, so we just keep holding it. Now this trade on GBP USD is a bit kind of risky one, considering the fact that what it is sitting on a strong level, but we just keep holding. So let's just hold on to it. Okay, let me drop down to the 5-minute time frame. Let's see what it is doing. Okay, GU seems to be moving interestingly now. So now let me go back to my MetaTrader so you can see that I also took the trade. You can see I sold GU with 0.5 lots, and I'm also selling a different market here, GBP Chef, with 0.5 lots. The reason why I had to drop my risks because I'm already up on the Propfirm. I'm just 3% away from passing the Propfirm, so I had to reduce my risks because you don't have to be in a hurry to pass the firm. Once you are up on profit in a firm, the best thing you can do is simply cutting short your risks. So that's what I did with my GU right now. I had to cut short my risks so that passing it wouldn't be any difficult thing. So you can see the two trades that I took here. We took one of them during this live, which is GU. So for those of you who took GU earlier, you're already in profit. Me, I got in late, so I was trying to drop the signal for you guys, so I actually got in late. So let's see what GU does from here. Okay, the market seems to be buying back upward. Yeah, we just keep up with our position since we're already in, no need closing off. So in case you didn't enter earlier, you are still in a good position to actually go short on GU. You are still in a good position to do that. Okay, the market is looking interesting now. Okay, GU is looking interesting now, guys. Let's see how it goes from here. Let's see what GU does from here. Okay, GU is pushing downwards now, so we keep holding. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. Okay, that is it, guys. Let's see what happens from here. We might just be in for a good run. Okay, market is going down. So let's see what it has for us. Let me go back to my MetaTrader. You can see I'm up a bit up on the two trade, even though it's nothing yet, considering what we are actually targeting. So we are waiting for it to sell down here. So guys, you can actually share this live with your friends. You can share this live with your friends and also invite them to follow this profile, because every single day will come up live to trade and we'll get some good trades and close up for the day. Today we were able to get only one good one, which is the one we are currently holding right now. As you can see, the market is looking good, so let's just keep holding. Okay, the market is looking good, so keep on holding it. Let's see what happens. So let me go over to YouTube and see, because I'm also live on YouTube. So let me take a look at those people from YouTube as well. As you guys can see, I'm also live on YouTube. I'm live streaming both YouTube and then TikTok at the same time. It's the same trade that we are taking on both platforms. Okay, market is a bit breaking back upwards. I believe this level is what is causing this bit of commotion. If it's able to break below here, like if the market closed below here successfully, then we know we are in it for a good run. That's if we can get a successful bearish close below there. So let's see what happens. Keep holding and monitoring. So by my time is currently 1:54 p.m., which means by 2:30 p.m. I will be going off live. So regardless of how the trade goes, okay, let's see if the market, if this new candle can close bearish and close below the previous one, that means we'll be good. So we just keep holding, guys. If you have any question regarding trading, you can actually let me know. And if you're looking for a reliable broker to trade with, all you need to do is simply check my TikTok profile, or if you're on YouTube, check the video description. You are going to get a link to the broker I personally trade with, which is Light Finance, and also my favorite Propfirm, which is Blueberry Funded. Okay, so let's see if it breaks below that line that I drew and then actually closes below it successfully. Then we know that what we are in a good trade. If it's able to do that, then we can conclude that what we are in a good trade. So let us sit and wait for it to do whatever thing it wants. Okay, all we need is a successful close below there. So my TikTok people, I believe you guys are already used to me actually playing music during live. But for today, I won't be able to play any music because I'm also live on YouTube. If I should play any sort of music, if the music is claimed by any of the music distributors out there, I'll actually get copyrighted. So I don't want to risk my YouTube channel for that. So I'm actually not going to play any music today. So we'll just be talking today for the whole session. Okay, so the market is really approaching that low. So let us hope it actually closes below the previous week there. If it closes below it successfully, then we know that what we are in a good run. Okay, we are going in it. The trade is looking good so far. Trade is looking good so far. Okay, let me take a look at here. Yep, I entered with a very tiny position because I needed to give a proper room to it. So let's wait for a close below. You just want to get a run up to this level here, and we know we are good. A run up to this low here, and I know G you can actually do that effortlessly if it wants to. So the market is just fucking around our entry. It keeps dancing around our entry point. Whilst you are doing that, let me take a look at AUD USD if it eventually came back. Okay, it is approaching, but it's not yet there. So I'll wait for it to get there, and I'm actually going to short it from here. If it gets here, I will take a shot from here. Let me take a look at what gold is doing. Gold is sparking back to the upside. USD JPY. Okay, my sell setup here is preparing. So let me go back here. This is a trade we are holding desperately that wanted to actually sell. Seriously, I need a sell on all GBP pairs because I'm holding two GBP pairs at the same time. I'm holding a GBP chef. You can see I'm holding this, and at the same time I'm also holding this. So I actually need a sell on both of these GBP pairs to have a good run. So let me see if my YouTube live session is still active. Times this thing. Okay, it's still up. So meaning we'll be live for over 22 minutes now, and this trade is actually just playing around here, no direction at all, for 22 solid minutes, and that's not fair. Okay, I love that spark. I love it. So let's wait for the break below. So let us, if this candle is able to close successfully bearish, that would be a good run. Yes, I love this break below. Yeah, let's just continue like this. Like G is one of the best strategies whenever you are trading this particular. It's one of the best markets to trade this strategy that I'm actually trading every single day during New York session. G is one of the best pairs. Like it delivers it effortlessly every single time. So today is like there's not enough liquidity in the market because the market is really slow. Okay. So the next candle just opened up. Let's just hope it all keeps going bearish. So let me mute my YouTube so I can play music down for those of you on TikTok. So guys, I'm back and looking at the market. The market is really slow. Like it's really slow. Nothing irritates me more than when I'm holding a trade and then the trade is moving like this. Market is just so slow. Let me take a look at AUD USD. Man, he retraced but I couldn't get to the level or entry level. So we are still holding. We are still stuck with our GBP USD that we are holding. And you just keep going back and forth and like. So I'm just going to walk out of the chart again and come back in some few minutes time. Let's see what is happening here. Like market is just too slow for my liking and it's really becoming annoying. So those of you on YouTube, I'm sorry you're going because I can't actually live stream the music I'm playing to you guys without getting copyrighted. So I'm going to do that on TikTok alone and I'll have to mute YouTube again. So guys, you can see the trade finally seems to be coming back alive now. And if you're among those people who took earlier, who took at the right entry point here, then you can actually set your positions to break even. Now, meaning when I say break even, I mean you should set your entry to your stop loss to your entry position now. So just basically shift your stop loss to your entry position, and you'll be good to go. So me, I'm actually trading a prop account. So let me just take a look at MetaTrader. So let me see how much I'm also up now. Okay. I use a very tiny lot size, so I'm up just 37. So in total, I'm up 102 on both of my trade, and that sends me up $800 up in my 10K prop account. And we are still going. This is just a trade from a record from. I'll say this has been 2 weeks here. It's been 2 weeks since I got the account, and I'm actually up 800 and something dollar already. So that's a good process. So if you took GBP USD, you can go break even. You see, for me, I didn't go in early. That's why I see that I still have my stop loss position maintained. So if you are among those people who went in early, you can actually set it to break even. Now, break even on MetaTrader is basically you drag your stop loss straight up to your entry point, and so when the market reverses back there, you will take no profit and no loss. So for me, I'll just leave it where it is. The move still seems early, so I'll just leave everything where it is because I didn't go in early. Because most of you, let me go down to the 5 minute time frame. Most of you actually got in around this point here. Around this point here, so that makes it easier for you guys to go break even, unlike me who got in really late, because I was trying to make you guys take the position first. Okay guys, so basically on GBP USD right now, you can set all your trades to break even. Just go break even so that there will be no loss, no profit in case the market comes back to hit your break even point. But in case it goes anyway in our favor, I'll also update it down in the Telegram community, guys. So that is enough. I've been up for an hour now, so I need to go off so that I can go get other jobs done. So guys, see you tomorrow when I come back live.